Chapter 5 Admission of a Partner. Today we will be studying about the adjustment of goodwill, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset, and when the new partner is coming into the business, new partner who takes share in future profits from the existing partner should compensate sacrificing partners by paying them an amount termed as goodwill or premium for goodwill. Payment of premium for goodwill is the method of compensating sacrificing partners for the sacrifice they make in favor of the new partner. Accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. There can be following five situations. There can be five situations. It's written in the book following. There can be five situations relating to accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. These five situations can be there and we will be studying them in detail. The first situation given to us is goodwill. Premium for goodwill is paid privately. That out of the business, the new partner who is coming, he is giving goodwill to the sacrificing partners privately. In this case, no journal entry is there. Today I will be discussing second part. Goodwill. Premium for goodwill is brought in cash or by check by the new or incoming partner and is retained in the business. So let us first clarify the first situation. The first situation is given here. Goodwill. Premium for goodwill is paid privately. When premium for goodwill is paid privately, that is outside the business by the new or incoming partner, to the sacrificing partner's journal entry is not passed in the books of accounts. So there is no journal entry if the new partner is paying privately the amount of premium of goodwill. Now coming to the second situation. Second situation is goodwill. Premium for goodwill is brought in cash or check by the new or incoming partner and is retained in the business. When the new or incoming partner brings amount for goodwill for his share, it is transferred to capital accounts of the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. Look at the third journal entry. It is the combined journal entry. When the new partner is coming, what the new partner will bring? The new partner will bring his capital and the new partner will bring premium for goodwill. So what will be the journal entry? Journal entry is cash account debited or bank account debited. Cash is coming into the business. Cash is increasing, bank is increasing. That is why we are debiting it. Two new partners capital account. It can be C partners capital account. Capital is increasing because he is coming into the business with the capital. So his capital account will be increasing. So credit. Then two premium for goodwill. He is bringing goodwill into the business. So goodwill is increasing. Premium for goodwill is coming into the business. So it will be credited. Now this premium for goodwill will be given to the sacrificing partners because they need to be credited. They are sacrificing. So what the journal entry will be coming? Premium for goodwill account debited. जितना भी वो premium लाया है, for example 25,000, 30,000, वो हम कहाँ पर credit कर देंगे? Partners के capital account में credit कर देंगे in the sacrificing ratio. If it is a fixed capital account method, then we will be using the term current account. If it's a fluctuating capital accounting method, then we will be using the term capital. That you already know. Or otherwise, what we can do, alternatively, the entries can be passed cash account debited to new partner's capital account. In this case, the amount will be capital plus goodwill. And then new partner's capital account debited to sacrificing partner's capital account. Clear about it? And if in the effect of change in the admission की वजह से कोई पुराना पार्टनर भी अगर गेन कर रहा है तो वो भी कॉम्पनसेट करेगा सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर को, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल A, B and C are partners. C is the new partner coming. A and B are old partners and A is also gaining and only B is sacrificing. In that case, A will also compensate compensate B, the sacrificing partner, right? Unless stated otherwise, the partners' capitals are assumed to be maintained following fluctuating capital accounts method. Goodwill therefore is adjusted through partners' capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Clear about it? Now coming to page number 5.18. Look here, this blue box. If any old partner also gains, he will also compensate the sacrificing partner or partners. His capital or current account will also be debited. Clear about it? That is what I just explained. Now I am going to the practical problems because other situations I will be explaining in the next class. Question number 17. It is a question of premium for goodwill is brought in cash by the new partner and is retained in the business. So what is given in the question is A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:5. They admit C on the condition that he will bring 14,000 as his share of goodwill in cash to be distributed between A and B. Right, so C is coming into the business and he is bringing 14,000 as his share of goodwill. C's share in the future profits or losses will be 1/4. What will be the new profit sharing ratio and what amount of goodwill brought in by C will be received by A and B? So they have given us the old ratio between A and B, that is 2:5. C is coming into the business for 1/4 share. So let the combined share of A, B and C will be 1. Then the combined share of A and B after C's admission will be 1 minus C's share, that is 1 minus 1/4. So it is coming to be combined share of A and B is coming to be 3/4. Now new ratio of A and B will be 3/4 into 2/7 and 3/4 into 5/7. So the new ratio coming is to A is 6/28, B 15/28 and C is 1/4. So the new PSR is 6:15:7. And when there is no sacrificing ratio given, the old ratio is considered as the sacrificing ratio. Even if you will calculate by the formula old ratio minus new ratio, you will get the same as old ratio. So the sacrificing ratio in this question is 2:5. And how the goodwill will be distributed among the partners? C is bringing 14,000 as goodwill. So premium for goodwill is 14,000 and it will be distributed among the sacrificing partners. A is sacrificing by 2/7. So 14,000 into 2/7, 4,000 and B's share of goodwill will be 14,000 into 5/7, that is also 10,000. Clear about this question that C will be compensating A by 4,000 rupees and C will be compensating B by 10,000 rupees. Now going to the next question. Question number 18. Question number 18 says A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So old PSR given to us is 3:2. A new partner C is admitted. A surrenders 1/5 of his share and B surrenders 2/5 of his share and in favor of C. For this purpose of C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at 75,000. Now the amount of goodwill that is given to us is goodwill of the firm. It is not the amount of C's goodwill. And C brings his share of goodwill in cash, which is retained in the firm's books. Journalize the above transactions. So first we will go to these things. Old ratio between A and B is 3/2. And how much A is sacrificing? A is sacrificing 1/5 of his share. The word of is coming here. So 1/5 of the share of A. ए का शेयर कितना है? ए का शेयर है 3/5. अपने शेयर का 1/5 वो सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स ए इज सेक्रीफाइसिंग बाय 3/25. So the new ratio of A will be 3/5 minus sacrifice, that is 3/25. So A's new share will be 12/25. Now how much B is sacrificing? B is sacrificing 2/5 of his share. अपने शेयर का 2/5. उसका खुद का शेयर कितना है? 2/5. और अपने शेयर का 2/5 वो सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स 2/5 इंटू 2/5 दैट इज कमिंग टू 4/25. So the sacrificing ratio between them is coming to be 3:4. And B's new share will be old ratio 2/5 minus sacrifice share. So B's new share is coming to be 6/25. And what is the share of C? C share will be A sacrifice. Yes, Tanmay, I'll listen to your question. Let me complete this. 3/25 plus 4/25, that is coming to 7/25. So the new ratio between them will be 12/25 is to 6/25 is to 7/25. And how much premium for goodwill C will be bringing? Goodwill of the firm, that is 75,000 into 7/25, that is 21,000 he will be bringing. And how this will be distributed among A and B? In their sacrificing ratio. What is the sacrificing ratio? 3:4. So 21,000 into 3/7, A will be getting 9,000 and B will be getting 12,000. And what will be the journal entries that we will be passing? Cash account debited to premium for goodwill account 21,000 C is bringing, being premium for goodwill brought in by C. And this premium for goodwill will be distributed in the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. That is premium for goodwill 21,000 to A's capital account 99,000 to B's capital account 12,000. Yes, Tanmay, you raised your hand. Some question you have in your mind? Tanmay, you want to ask a question? Okay, now it is clear. Okay, fine, Tanmay. I was thinking that it will be clear then. Now coming to question number 19. Question number 19 says, pass journal entries to record the following arrangements in the books of the firm. B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So old PSR given to us is 3:2. D is admitted paying a premium goodwill of 2,000 for 1/4 share of the profit. Shares of B and C remain as before. So looking at the first case, premium for goodwill is given to us as 2,000 and the share of D is 1/4. So we will calculate the ratios first. The ratios, when there is no sacrifice given, then the old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio because it is not otherwise stated. So what will be the journal entries? Cash account debited for to premium for goodwill account 2,000. और जब हमारे पास कुछ और सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो डिफरेंट नहीं दिया होता, उस केस में ओल्ड रेशियो ही सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो होता है. Even in the case if you will start calculating it, 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4, then 3/4 into 3/5, 3/4 into 2/5, you will calculate the new PSR and then you will deduct old ratio minus new ratio. Even then the sacrificing ratio will be coming equal to 3:2. So the sacrificing ratio in this question is 3:2, which is same as the old ratio. So how we will be distributing goodwill? Goodwill will be distributed in their sacrificing ratio 2,000 into 3/5. B will be getting 1,200 and C will be getting 2,000 into 2/5, that is 800. So the journal entry will be premium for goodwill account debited 2,000 to B's capital account 1,200 to C's capital account 800. Clear to you? Now going to the second case. The second case is B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2, similar to the above. D is admitted paying a premium of 2,100 for 1/4 share, which he acquires 1/6 from B and 1/12 from C. So here the different sacrificing ratio is given. So first of all we will be calculating this. Sacrificing ratio B and C. B is giving 1/6 and C is giving 1/12. So the sacrificing ratio between them is 2:1. Right? So 2:1 is the sacrificing ratio. We just need sacrificing ratio. We need not calculate other things. So first journal entry will be cash account debited to premium for goodwill account 2100, and then premium for goodwill will be credited to the sacrificing partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio, that is 2100 into 2 by 3 in the B's capital account, 2100 into 1 by 3, that is coming to 700 in the C's capital account. So clear that here we have calculated the sacrificing ratio. In the A part nothing was there about the sacrificing ratio, so we considered sacrificing ratio as equal to old ratio. Clear about it? Question number 20. B and C are partners are in partnership sharing profits and losses as 3:1, right? Just a second. Yes. They admit D as a partner in the firm. D pays premium of goodwill of 15,000. 15,000 is the premium for goodwill for one third share of profits. 1 by 3 is the new PSR of D. As between themselves, B and C agree to share future profits equally. B and C will be sharing equally in future. Past journal entry showing appropriations of the premium money. Can anyone explain me about this sacrificing ratio, how they have done this? Kaveri, can you explain this? Are you there, Kaveri? Can you explain this sacrificing and gaining ratio?
Yes,
Okay, explain better, explain.
ma'am. First, we will take a combined share as 1, and then we will subtract C share from 1, which is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3, and then combined share into old ratio, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. It will come out to be 1 by 3 of both of them, and then we will calculate
No,
sacrificing ratio, which is equal to old
no,
ratio minus
Kaveri,
new ratio.
Kaveri, you are saying the combined share into old ratio. Old ratio is given to us as 3:1. They have decided that in future they will be sharing the profits equally. That is why combined share 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. We are not multiplying here by old ratio. If we would be multiplying by old ratio, then we would have done 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. And for C, we would have done 2 by 3 into 1 by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Yes. Here what we have, now explain. Now explain.
मैम मैम तो sacrificing ratio आएगा ratio which is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 equals to 5 by 12. It is a sacrifice because it is coming positive, and C share will be gain because mine which is minus 1 by 12.
Okay, very good. So in this question, what is happening is that C is gaining. Though he is the old partner, he is the existing partner, but still he is gaining. So he will also compensate the sacrificing partner. And who is the sacrificing partner? B. तो B को दोनों compensate कर रहे हैं. C भी compensate करेगा और D भी compensate करेगा, right? So what we have done is sacrificing and gaining ratio is clear to everyone. Now the second working note which is given here is C is gaining in the new firm. Hence C's gain in goodwill will be debited to his capital and given to the sacrificing partner B. Goodwill of the firm is not given to us. So how we will be calculating goodwill of the firm? Goodwill of the firm will be calculated by, because D is coming for 1 by 3 share, so we will do the reciprocal of D. अगर D goodwill 1 by 3 के लिए वो goodwill ला रहा है 15,000, तो that means पूरे firm का goodwill क्या होगा, उसका reciprocal. That means 15,000 into 3 by 1. That is 45,000. This point is clear to everyone. That for 1 by third share, goodwill of the firm is 15,000. So for full one share, goodwill of the firm will be 15,000 into 3 by 1. This point is clear? Yes. So C share of gain in goodwill. C is gaining by how much? 45,000 into 1 by 12. So he will be giving 3750 to B. And how much D will be giving? D will be giving him 45,000 into 4 by 12. He will be giving him 15,000, entire 15,000. So the journal entry will be cash to premium for goodwill 15,000. This entire premium for goodwill he will be giving to B, because B is only sacrificing. So premium for goodwill to B's capital account 15,000, and the gaining partner is C. C will also be giving, compensating B by how much amount? The sacrificing ratio, the gaining ratio. 3750. And even if we calculate that the sacrifice of B is 5 by 12, so how much amount he should get for goodwill? Goodwill of the firm, that is 45,000 into 5 by 12, so he should get 18,750. So he is getting 18,750. And how he is getting 18,750? He is getting 15,000 from D and he is getting 3750 from C. So this point is clear to you that if an existing partner is gaining, then he will also compensate the sacrificing partner. Clear about it? Okay.